Today we'd like to introduce what is the mega site ship. And first, because students are already coming, so I would like to introduce you because you are prepared for the midterm presentation. And what's that? Okay. Because we have 5 groups, so already decide which part you are going to do research. Here is first one, midterm presentation will be held in the April 16 next month. And the topic ABC, that's me your port, okay? Your port is Yokohama, right? What is your port? Research port. Yokohama.
Kobe.
Oh, Kobe. Okay, Kobe. For example, Kobe port is your port, international commercial ports, smart capture port solution. So you have found a solution to deal with what? Deal with port congestion. Basically, because the port the ship become very bigger, and sometimes have an infrastructure problem. So that means your old-fashioned content handling equipment, or your easy to traffic jams on the road. Okay, so it's very easy happens. So we so-called the port congestion. So how to find out the smart port solution to deal with this kind of problem? Okay. 因为有时候港口因为有监测落后啊，或基础设施不好啊，所以会时常发生这个 port congestion 的问题。那你是如何用这个我们教过的，就是一般智慧型的一个港口策略来应用这样，所以就是这个。So the current key point, I just give you 1, 2, 3 key point. First one, current status of ABC International Port, commercial port on the container terminal infrastructure development. Okay, that means we focus on container terminal. Okay. Number 2, analysis of the cause of a container port congestion problem faced by ABC International Commercial Port. So, for example, cooperation, loading, unloading, efficiency, network system, and so on. Number 2, labor force, adjustment or upgrading. Okay, adjustment has a different meaning. For example, because for example, terminal number 7 is belong to the Evergreen, so that means there will be layoff almost 50% labor force will be cut. Okay, will be layoff. So how to deal with this kind of labor force problem? Number 3, review of ABC International Port Commercial Ports current smart port policy. That means so many company or so many port will be found solution to deal with the port congestion issue. Okay, for example, build up some superhighway for a container truck. Okay. Implementations, effectively analyzing in response to the port congestion issue. So only 1, 2, 3 is enough. And in the final presentation, you will including maybe another 3 key points. So totally your report will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 6. Presentation time 25 PPT by oral presentation. Presentation is 20 minutes. And presentation material, single report and deadline will be submitted to me by email 2025 April 14. Okay, that means presentation before today. Okay, so that's we have problem because on next month we'll make presentation, so you have to discussion your brain and okay. So today we'd like to introduce we say the mega size ship. Mega size ship is a very important the issue for the port, especially ship become bigger and bigger. So that's why a lot, if you poor infrastructure cannot accommodate this kind of big ship, that means your handling efficiency will be down. Okay. And the first one, what means the definition of a mega size ship? Okay, mega size ships because international transportation. We find out they have different kind of mega size ship. You have bulk carrier and tanker. Okay. For example, when I is a university student. When I'm a university student, I have been experienced to went to the American Prison Line Terminal. How big? Yes, only 4,000 tubes. Oh, we say this is very big, but right now how many? 2026 in Moscow line. Moscow line, they have very big shoes. This one. Okay, 2006. How about this one? 2024. Air Brings. Air Brings. Okay. Also big ship, 24. So you see from 1988 to 2024, 6 times. Very big. But just mention 6 times. How about crew member? Crew member?
6.
How many? 4,002. Next time you answer me. How many crew member? Seafarer member?
About 30, 20, 26.
26. Okay, 26. 26 crew member. Member. How about 24? Twenty only? Okay. 22? So, okay. Normally will be 25. Normally, crew member. But what happened? This ship is bigger than this ship, right? 6 times, but the crew member is the same, similar. What happened? What happened? Yeah, because technology advance. Because a lot of human being work will be replaced by the so-called automation. Okay, automation. That's all. Okay. Okay. So the ship become very bigger. Why? The ship become bigger. Okay, and
want to limit your master loading to we want to keep your safety and 储备福利啦。
This means we're is so-called drop. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. 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 Low line. What's that?
Chinese register.
What's the CR?
Chinese register.
Chinese
Registration.
no, Chinese class. Class means when you construction your ship, right? You find out some guy with a C class or with an MK, you call him class. You will go to check out, do you follow your design or international standard to make your ships very safety? Okay? They will give you some certificate. That means your ship is qualified, is certified with or following the IMO regulation. Right？ 叫 CR 对不对？那如果他们有 CR 的证照怎么办？这条船是什么？可以吗 ？PSC 会检查吗？
会啊，扣船啊。
Okay. So if you have the CR license, okay, or certificate, the PSC 来 post state control， 解释一下什么叫 post state control？
在想让前端解释port control is want to check in the seaworthy and the vessel condition to follow the IMO regulation.
Right. So the first control officer will be on board your ship and check out do you have a low line license. Okay, we say low line license, certificate. 是叫 license 还是 certificate？
International Maritime Organization. IMO.
Certificate, low line. Because make you see very safety, just like you're cooking the hot pot, right? They'll give you some water limit. Because if you more over the line, they're boiling the hot pots, there'll be water spill out. So when we keep this kind of, you should very safety and stand up, follow the IMO regulation. They will assign we say post control officer to onboard your ship and check out your license. 对不对？
对。
你确定？
确定啊。
Okay. So if the ship don't follow the regulation, what happens? If the ship don't follow the IMO regulation, what happens? What are you going to do?
Detain your ship.
Detain your ship.
And inform your fleet and your our class society.
Okay. If your ship is substandard, okay, substandard, that means your ship is not follow the we say IMO regulation. 就是说，如果你是一个次标准船，或是没有达到所谓的轮船，或是没有达到所谓的国际海事公约的规定。国际海事公约主要哪些？
收到。收到。
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 convention, very important, right? Because follow IMO regulation. It's an international convention, okay? If don't follow, so how about PSC will we use what kind of alternative? First one, detain.
Yeah, detain. Yeah.
Detain.
Yeah.
Detain 是扣船嘛，对不对？
是这。
第二个
before sailing correction. 开航前矫正。
所以怎么说？
哇。
Before sailing correction.
对 ，before sailing
correction before sailing.
好吧 ，OK 了。
就是开航前矫正。
对。
还有。
还有常用大概就下那个 inform next port 吧。
不是。罚款的啊。TS
就是你就是练不同季节的那个，对啊。
这个叫什么线啊？这样。
打中线。
这是 low line。啊
Tropical breast.
Would you like to explain? What's that?
GF is tropical breast.
Okay.
Yeah. Breast. Tropical. S is summer. Here is winter.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the TLNA is the.
May I ask you one question? May I ask you one question, right? So if the ships transport in the winter, and the ship also transport. In the summertime, right? Which one they can transport more product? In summertime or winter time? 所以夏天可以载更重，
对，
是吧？
嗯。
Okay, you just think. You think just a hot pot, right? Hot pot layer line. Because the hot pot putting water inside. So in the winter, only like this line. But that means you transport a product cannot transport many product, okay, or cargo. But in the tropic, that means in Indonesia or somewhere, you can transport more product, just like a hot pot line, put the water line, okay? Very easy to understand. But it's belong to technology term. Technology term, they will explain some water, some related to water. Sometime in the winter time is different. But actually, in the winter time, that's been very dangerous. Right? If you transport very heavy cargo, it's very easy to sink it or not. This is ship, right? We always say ship the keel, 叫龙骨 Why? 这个叫 stern 哈 stem， 然后 4 part 这方。那我问你一个问题啊，上次他们说 dark side 对不对？dark side right？This is pole side right？ 左旋叫 pole side， 右旋叫做 double side。为什么叫 double side？ 为什么左旋叫 pole side？ We have harbor 1 enter or harbor 2 enter right？ Is harbor 2 enter here? Because here is 高明 right？ 高明不知道怎么写。KO 什么明的？明 OK 高明。Terminal number 6 right? So and here is we said terminal number 7, number 5. Terminal number 5. 5. Okay. We say we have HMM and 1 highlight. Here is here's Gaomi, right? And it belong to Yami Light. When the ship enter, it should enter and bursting the Yami terminal, they will pause side or double side. Huh? Pause side, double side.
Is a C?
Yeah, the Gaomi here, terminal number 6. Yeah, so pause side, double side. This one, this side or this side?
This side.
This one?
It's easy to
Recording. So it belongs to pole side, double side. This one, this terminal, okay? They have gantry right here. Okay, so this one. In, out. This is gate, G-A-T-E. This yacht crane. This show crane. 这是乔治机号 show crane， 一个是场在国机号，对。好，那这样子，考你啊，货物在这里啊，货物在这里啊。如果是这样靠的时候，请问它怎么跑？是这样跑，还是这样跑 ？Which one? This is a truck, right? This truck, this gantry crane, 2 gantry crane, 1 ship, okay? So that means here is a pole side 吗？算是 double side。
你这样画是 pole side。
pole side 嘛 ，here's called pole side. Pole side. Here's double side. So this train, okay? Because they have they were handling their loading and unloading this truck container, okay? So this container will be run this way or this way. Okay, look at here. This is a container box, right? This front, this back, this door, right? Door here. Okay. When the loading cargo inside the container box, okay, and we will lock by seal. 封票，我们叫封票，把它封起来。Okay. Because just like for example, this like ship, right? This ship. Normally the ship will go ahead, right? Go ahead. That means the faster, very strong, rainy, strong, and wind, right? So if not this one, they have a store here. If a very strong wind, very strong raining, so the water will be leakage right inside. So that's why when they design the ship, not only just this way. This is the front, this is the back door. So for the container same, this is the ship. So basically, when we load in this container, the back door here, not here. If here, you can face very strong winter, rainy. Just like you scooter, right? You ride scooter, you face very strong. So that means the back door will be location over here. Okay? So normally the ship will be entered like this way. Okay. So I ask the question same. When the ship location like this, what happened? It will follow the terminal there regulation. Because if some car trucking like this way, some trucking like this way, it's easy to corrigin.
Yes.
So normally they follow their order.
So they will return to back to the seashore, then turn again.
But you know, if outside car, you can do like this way. Inside car is familiar their location layout, but
Yeah,
outside car is not
direction.
easy. So outside car is very easy to hit, correct inside car, because they are not familiar with their layout.
The customer, the order container will be only in one direction for the easy inspection. So
Yeah.
that's why. So we all normally we reversed, right? And
If follow this one, yes, you will reverse.
yes. But we will be first reverse, come back here and turn again.
But actually, sometimes will be follow the terminal regulation.
Yeah.
Okay, we take rest.